Hi, I wanted to show you something brand new from KeriKit for the Autumn-Winter 2020 line, and that is the Sullivan packing cases. They come in a set of 3, and they are 3 different sizes. This is the large size one. This one is the medium size one, and this one is the small size one. They are all made of nylon, which is a durable, easy to clean and wipeable material, and they all also have this clear see-through window on the front, which makes seeing anything on the inside easy to do, not only for you, but also for friends or family members. If you might ask them to grab something for you, they can do that without too much of an issue. They also all feature this D-ring on the side, and they come with this detachable wristlet strap, so you can choose if you want to put it on any of the cases, and if you wanted to grab just the case out of the bag without taking the whole bag with you, you can do that easily as well. Or you can use the wristlet strap to clip them all together, so you can store them all together without getting them lost, which is a great feature also. So make your kit your way with the new KeriKit Sullivan packing cases.